guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I am in my kitchen. I thought I would keep this casual while I talk to you guys about what I'm about to have for lunch. These are all from a company called FlexPro meals, and basically it's just ready-made meals. They deliver them to your doorstep frozen, and then you can eat them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, depending on how many meals you would like them to deliver. In fact, one of the best things about this company is that they are incredibly flexible in how many meals you want, how often you want them, what types of meals you want, any dietary restrictions, anything like that. And they do have some breakfasty items, like, you know, banana nut bread was one of my things. And then they have some like protein snacks that are they're basically like a dessert type of a snack. They were these protein balls, and I had 6 different ones, and they were each a different flavor. There was like an M&M one and an Oreo one, a peanut butter one. They were so good. I loved those things. So anyway, what I'm about to eat right here is the Italian Stallion. One of the things that I wish they would change is the information that they put on the actual packaging, because here, let me just show you. That's not really a lot of info. I mean, you've got your basics, your calories, your fat, your protein, but other than that, I have no idea what this is. The Italian Stallion could be anything. It appears to be, I think that's pepperoni, couscous. Is this meat? I have no idea. So I wish that I knew a little bit more going in, because originally I thought this was going to be pasta. You know, you think Italian, you think pasta. There's couscous in there. You guys, I'm so confused. Anyway, almost everything that I've tried has been really, really, really good. The one thing that I did not like was there was a shrimp dish that just was bland. That's all. It was just bland. Everything else has been really good, and they have a lot of interesting meals, and you can choose your meals. So Colin thinks that I'm a hoarder because I saved all of these because they sent me a full box a long time ago. There's one with French fries in it, and the texture of the French fries, I mean, they get mushy, you know, because you microwave all of these. So if you can get past the texture and not think of them as fries, then it was actually tasty. Like, the flavoring was good. It was just some of the texture issues. Also, there was one chicken and waffles, which I thought was going to be really good, but again, with the texture issues on the waffle part. It wasn't bad, don't get me wrong. It was just kind of a chewy, I don't know. There was one, it was like a burrito. Let me see if I can find it. Green chili smothered burrito. So good. That one was definitely my favorite, and I really loved the protein balls, and the banana bread for breakfast was actually quite good as well. All of these meals are super filling, which is nice, and they have different plans. So you've got like your muscle building one or your fat trimming one, I think is what they call it, something like that. So it's like if you're trying to lose weight or if you're trying to bulk up, you know, they will send you different, I think it's mostly portion size what they send you, but they're all high protein. This has 40 grams of protein in it right there, so that's pretty intense. I'm gonna try this now that I've kind of talked to you guys about what everything is. Is that spinach in there? That's actually really good. I don't know why I'm surprised. They've all been really good. Along with the labeling, there's no instructions on how to cook these. They do say to thaw them in your refrigerator for 1 to 2 days, but then there's no like, and then microwave for 1 minute or 3 minutes or stir, and then, you know, there's no actual instructions, so you just kind of have to wing it. But I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it's just one of those little extra things that I wish I had had. And I've, you know, taken them directly out of the freezer, basically just microwave it a little bit longer. I have an extra freezer in the garage specifically for, you know, lots of frozen food. So space wasn't an issue for me, but like this freezer right here is ridiculously small and I can't fit anything in there. So if you do have freezer space issues, then you can just get like 7 meals every other week, or, you know, depending on how often you actually eat these. Are you gonna eat 3 meals a day? Or are you just gonna eat maybe 1 for lunch, and, you know, you go through maybe 3 meals a week, or, you know, whatever. It kind of depends on you and your lifestyle, your needs. Are you taking these to work with you, or just kind of eating at home occasionally like I do since I work from home? It almost tastes like meatloaf. Is this meatloaf? Why can't I tell what this is? It's weird because it has like pepperoni on it, but it's like a meatloaf thing. I don't know, it's not bad at all. It's actually really good. And when they make them, it's all made with fresh ingredients and good, healthy, macronutrient style stuff. These ones are specifically for like bodybuilder types, you know, people who are trying to either lose weight or bulk up, and they, you know, their list is like fitness, you know, I mean, the name says it all, right? FlexPro, FlexPro. It's just good. It's a weird combination of things, but it goes together nicely. I like it a lot. So anyway, this is my last meal, and I can always tell once I finish my last one how I truly feel about the company in general, and I honestly can say that I think I'm gonna place an order and get some more of these. If nothing else, I want those protein balls and the smothered green chili burrito thing. That was so good. Because like I said, I do work from home and I'm often very busy, so I don't necessarily want to spend a lot of time making a lunch, but I want to eat a healthy, well-balanced meal, and this is the easy way to do that. With these, I am always way full. Half the time, I can barely finish one. So anyway, I will leave all of the information. I do have a discount code as well. I believe it's just Rebecca, and it gets you 20% off, which is awesome. The price varies how many you get, so if you're only gonna get 7, then it's going to be about $10 a meal. If you get 21, I think it is, then it's $8 a meal. So the more you buy, the less it is, but that kind of depends on you, your preferences, your freezer space, all of that stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me while I eat my lunch. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!